Welcome to our quick action in TaxDome series where we're going to show you exactly what you need to do inside TaxDome in 5 minutes or less. So our very first one right now is going to be how you can update and send an organizer in TaxDome. So if you already have a template created for your organizer, you're going to go into your templates here, firm templates, and you're going to go into your organizer. You're going to go ahead and you're going to find the organizer that you want to edit, and you can make any changes here. So whether you want to update the language right in there, whether you want to, for example, add in the new tax year, we can go ahead and add that in right here. If you want to add in a new question, scroll down here, you can add in a new question. They can be any of these types of responses where they're uploading a file, hitting yes or no questions. You can also add in a text block for just some text you want to add. If you want to delete anything, you can delete it. If you want to make it required, you can hit this right here. You can turn that on so that it is required. Whenever you are done with this page, you can move on to a different one here. If you want to add in additional pages or sections, you can just hit new section right here, and then you can start from scratch. You name the section, you can add any text if you want, and you can start adding your questions. Let's say that you want to potentially let the client repeat this whole section. Especially for dependents, that's where we typically see this, or rental properties, you can have a client have the option to repeat the entire section, and you include just some directions right here. You can also make a section conditional, meaning they will only see these questions if they answer a question a certain way. So if they're completing this for 2024, then they're going to get this entire section. If they are not, they won't get that section, for example. So you can also edit the names right in here and make any other edits that you want. Once you are content, you're good to go. We're going to go ahead and hit save and exit. Now, if you are not sending this organizer out automated inside your pipeline and you want to send it out to a specific client, there's a couple ways you can do it, but we're going to go with the most simple, which is go to your new button right here. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down and choose organizer. We're going to choose our client, and then we're going to choose our organizer template. We can make any other edits that we need to. We can set any sort of reminders that we need to. And we're going to want to go ahead and link this to a job. For example, if you already have a 1040 job open, you're going to want to link it to that job, so that way you have the whole history of that job all inside of that job itself. So once you do that, you can go ahead and hit create and send. Once you hit that, it's going to go automatically out to the client where they'll be able to complete it on their end.